Good morning, students.
Good morning, sir.
How are you?
We are fine, and you?
Fine, thank you. Today we shall discuss some plus 2 second year English set questions. Here the question begins with 5. Write notes in outline form on the main ideas in the following passage. Advertising is a form of communication. ଇଏ ହେଉଛି ଭାବ ବିନିମୟର ଗୋଟେ ପ୍ରକାର ରୂପ. ଫର୍ ମାର୍କେଟିଂ ବଜାର କରିବା ପାଇଁ ବିକିବା ପାଇଁ. ୟୁଜ୍ ଟୁ ଆଟ୍ରାକ୍ଟ ଆକର୍ଷଣ କରିବା ଏନ୍ ଅଡ଼ିଏନ୍ସ ଜଣେ ଅଡ଼ିଏନ୍ସ ଆକର୍ଷଣ କରିବା ପାଇଁ. ମୋଷ୍ଟ କମନଲି ଦ ଡିଜାଇର୍ଡ ଗୋଲ୍ ଇଜ୍ ଟୁ ଡ୍ରାଇଭ୍ କନଜ୍ୟୁମର ଉପଭୋକ୍ତାମାନଙ୍କୁ ମନଟାକୁ ଭୁଲେଇବା ପାଇଁ. ବିହେଭିୟର ତାଙ୍କର ବିହେଭିୟର ବ୍ୟବହାର ୱିଥ୍ ରେସ୍ପେକ୍ଟ ଟୁ ଦି କମର୍ସିଆଲ ଅଫରିଂ. ଦି ଇମ୍ପୋର୍ଟାଣ୍ଟ ପର୍ପଜ୍ ଅଫ୍ ଆଡ଼ଭର୍ଟାଇଜମେଣ୍ଟ କ'ଣ କୁହାଯାଉଛି ଆମକୁ ଯେଉଁଟାକି ଆମେ ପ୍ରଚାର କରିବା. ମେ ଅଲସୋ ବି ଟୁ ରିଏସ୍ୟୋର ଏମ୍ପ୍ଲୟିଜ୍ ଆଣ୍ଡ ସେୟାର ହୋଲ୍ଡର୍ସ ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ ଏ କମ୍ପାନୀ ଇଜ୍ ଭାଇଏବଲ୍ ଅର୍ ସକ୍ସେସଫୁଲ୍. Advertising messages are usually paid for by sponsors and viewed via various traditional media. ବିଭିନ୍ନ ପ୍ରକାର ମିଡ଼ିଆ ମାଧ୍ୟମରେ ଇନକ୍ଲୁଡ଼ିଂ ମାସ୍ ମିଡ଼ିଆ such as newspapers, magazines, television, commercial, radio advertisement, outdoor advertising or direct mail or new media such as blogs, website or text messages. Blogs. So commercial advertisers often seek to generate increased consumption of their products or services through branding, which involves the repetition of barambar of image or product name in an effort to associate certain qualities. बारंबार देखा जाउथो ता सहित क्वालिटी जोड़ा जाउथो with the brand in the name of the consumers. Non-commercial advertisements who spend money to advertise items other than a consumer product or service include political parties, interest groups, religious organizations and governmental agencies. This is the non-profit organizations may rely on free modes of persuasion such as a public service announcement. Next answer. The answer is advertisement, its goal and mechanism. A. Meaning of advertisement, a form of communication for marketing. Goal of advertisement, आर लक्ष्य तार अर्थटा देइथिला. दिस इज लक्ष्य. गोल ऑफ एडवर्टाइजमेंट टू अट्रैक्ट एन ऑडियंस जन आकर्षण करने कंज्यूमर को और ऑडियंस को. नेक्स्ट टू ड्राइव कंज्यूमर बिहेवियर टू रीएश्योर एम्प्लॉइज एंड शेयर होल्डर्स अबाउट द वायबिलिटी एंड सक्सेस ऑफ कंपनी. नेक्स्ट वन इज ट्रेडिशनल मीडियम ऑफ एडवर्टाइजमेंट. पारंपरिक माध्यम न्यूज़पेपर, मैगजीन, टेलीविजन, कमर्शियल, रेडियो. तो यही मध्यम कराला. आग एडवर्टाइजमेंट गुड़ाक यही मध्यम करा. व्हेन देयर वाज नो टीवी. आउटडोर एडवर्टाइजमेंट डायरेक्ट मेल रे पठाऊे. न्यू मीडिया, ब्लॉग्स, वेबसाइट टेक्स्ट मेसेजेस. नेक्स्ट गोल ऑफ कमर्शियल एडवर्टाइजमेंट्स to generate increased. This is small letter, not capital letter, right? Increased consumption of their products or services. Medium of commercial advertisement. Branding, associating certain qualities of a product with its name or image. So its name is it. This is what did I say? Its name. This is also wrong. This should be what? Small letter. What happened? Yeah. Next one is non-commercial advertisers, political parties, interest groups, right? Where is the interest groups? Sorry, political parties, interest parties, religious organizations, governmental agencies, mode of non-commercial advertisements. What are persuasion through public service announcement जो ढंदाड़ा दौरान तो summarize the question, summarize the passage in question number what 5, that is 5, question number 5. Question number using the notes you have made, answer different objectives and modes of advertisement. So as a form of communication for marketing, advertisement drives consumer behavior towards commercial offering. A company also reasserts. So advertisement is it is as a form of communication, right? For marketing, as a form of communication for marketing, advertisement drives consumer behavior towards a commercial offering. A company also reasserts employees and shareholders through advertisement. Sponsors pay for the advertisement through the traditional media such as newspapers, magazines, radio, television, commercial and outdoor advertising. They use new media such as blogs, websites or text messages. Branding is also a mode of advertisement adopted by commercial advertisers. They associate certain qualities of the product with its image or name. There are non-commercial advertisers such as political parties, interest groups, religious organizations, and governmental agencies. They adopt persuasive mode, माने लोक प्रवर्ताइबा, such as public service announcement. दी धंडरा दौरान लाइक गाँ गाँ बोली धंडरा दौना, that is called public service announcement. So here is another point of discussion, that is 7. Read the passage given below correcting the grammatical errors. Grammatical errors in it. Generally the word superstition, kusanskara, was used as the term of disgrace, and reproach. गाली करिबा अर्थरे व्यवहार करथला टू सेंसलेस बिलीफ, सेंसलेस भित्तिहीन, बोधहीन विश्वास, बेस्ड इन नो, दिस इज रॉन्ग प्रिपोजिशन. No, that is not based in, that is based on. Could understand? Based on. Based on. Could understand? What did I say? Based on. Generally the word superstition, here is another mistake, that is this should be is, not was. Could understand? Was. Right? Present tense. Is used as the term of discussion referred to senseless belief based on ignorant, that is ignorant fear. We look down on or upon, both. The right phrasal verb is look down on or upon, both are correct. On or upon, UPON. This is a phrasal verb. आर अर्थ होची निकृष्ट दृष्टि देखिबा. We look down on or upon to the uncivilized.
खाली दी.
Upon people, yes. So we look down on the, look down upon, let's remove 2. So we look down on or upon the uncivilized, abhadra lokamanku, ମାନେ ଅମାର୍ଜିତ ଲୋକମାନଙ୍କୁ
People.
ଛୋଟ ଦୃଷ୍ଟିରେ ଦେଖୁ। ଲୁକ୍ ଡାଉନ୍ ଅପନ୍ ମିନ୍ସ ଛୋଟ ଦୃଷ୍ଟିରେ ଦେଖୁ ପିପୁଲ୍ ବିକଜ୍ ଦେ ୱାର୍ସିପ୍ଡ ଦ ଡିଫରେଣ୍ଟ ଆସ୍ପେକ୍ଟସ୍ ନାଇଁ ବିକଜ୍ ଦେ ୱାର୍ସିପ୍ଡ ନାହିଁ
Buddha aspect.
ହଁ କହିବି ୱାର୍ସିପ୍ ଦେ ୱାର୍ସିପ୍ ଦ ଡିଫରେଣ୍ଟ ଆସ୍ପେକ୍ଟସ୍ ନଟ୍ aspects different aspects of nature and are filled with and were filled with
The I will
because
become.
no this is worshipped because they worshipped this is past tense paid worshipped so nature and were filled with in past tense were filled with yes were filled with not in filled with
With.
this right preposition is
Bit.
with not in with WITH not with bhaya could understand of things of things by instead of by let's write of is correct
OF.
of okay of things that are where is my cursor that are simple enough for us many Hindus consider विचार करती अनेक हिंदू लोक माने विचार करती ए स्नीज छिंकिबा स्नीज म्हणजे छिंकिबा द क्राई ऑफ लिजार्डर शब्द एज ओमिनियस अशुभ संकेत ओमिनियस मीन्स फॉर द वेस्टर्नर्स माने पाश्चात्य जगत पाई नंबर 13 इज सो अनलकी दैट इट कैन बी अवॉइडेड बाय ऑल मीन्स तांके
Most.
13टा इट मस्ट बी ମାନେ 13 ନମ୍ବରଟା ତାଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ ଅଶୁଭ ଏଣୁକରି ତାଙ୍କେ 13 ନମ୍ବରଟା ଏନି ହାଉ ଏଭଏଡ଼ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ବି ଏଭଏଡେଡ଼ ବାଇ ଅଲ୍ ମିନ୍ସ ଇଫ୍ ଦି କେଟ୍ କ୍ରସେସ୍ ଯଦି ବିଲେଇ କ୍ରସ୍ କରିଗଲା ଇଫ୍ ଏ କେଟେସ୍
If that.
नो ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟ ଟାଇମ୍ ୟୁଜ୍ ହୋଇଛି ସୋ वी शुड राइट ए इट इज नॉट ए पार्टिकुलर कैट इट इज जस्ट जनरल इफ ए कैट क्रॉसेस आमको आगे क्रॉस करीगला इफ ए कैट क्रॉसेस देर पाथ रास्ता आगे यदि क्रॉस करीगला दे काल अप नहीं सीओ एफ एफ का अप बोले आउ जीवेनि आगू काल अफ मैंने बंद कर दे कॉल ऑफ हरि ओम ओ एफ एफ कॉल ऑफ देरी टूर तांग यात्रा स्थगित करदेवे इंडिड एवरी कम्युनिटी इज सब्जेक्ट टू सम सुपरस्टिशंस सम मीन्स हियर प्लूरल superstitions and we would not convince we do not conceive धारण करिबा conceive conceive right
Can not conceive.
yeah we cannot conceive we
Cannot.
we do not instead of would not write can conceive for any community being completely free of it, not free from it. This is the right preposition from, free from. You understand? So, F-R-O-M from. Right?
It.
Okay, done it. So, with this, that is the end of today's English short class. We shall discuss the other sessions in our next class. Till then, bye. Thank you.
It's okay.